knowing the traffic conditions, I let the car go past me here because I needed to stop. Accident scene update. As you can see back there, there's some signs as you come around the bend which say 80k an hour. As you come down towards here, I'll show you when we get there. This roadworks ahead, 40. So you have the 40k ahead. Roadworks ahead sign. So you can see the other signs down there with the cars are coming towards us. I'll show you when we get down there. Here, well before the bridge, is 40k an hour, do not overtake signs. These weren't here last Monday. When I come out here, the since done that on Wednesday after I phoned them up complaining that they've done too little, too late. So they are doing something. So this is the only sign they put up last Monday. They put up the other signs, which is a really good job. It's not quite as wet as it was 2 weeks ago. It's still fairly wet, but I should be able to show you what's happened on the road. But see, the sign's here. Just there on the other side of the bridge. That's where we come off. That's why I said the warning signs were not good enough. Now they've fixed it. This is surface. See how smooth it looks. No stones. See what happens when you put water on it? The road here. Nothing. No question. Coming off this wide part into this depression. Well, the white doing around driveways. The road from the white in there. This is the car. So the car went down into the ditch. Stopped there. The car was there just as I was waiting on the road. Don't know if you can see that, the oil sign on the road. This is where Pat was running on the road. That's where the pipe comes up, down in there. Here I'm riding over the bridge, I'm riding over where we came off. You can see how slick it is in the dry. You'll see going up the road. It's sort of on both sides in different places. There is a better line in the middle in quite a few places, but it's still not great. As time goes on, I'm finding more and more of my gear damaged. This is my heated jacket, that's the sleeve. It's been out following on the road. I didn't notice it before. Also my jacket got a lot more scuff marks in it and a ripped pocket that I didn't notice.